My question for you today is, in the future, do you think that HR leaders will need skills to manage and work with digital workforce?
Yeah, thanks for the question. Yeah, it's absolutely, and I think, you know, part of this digital strategy, which I mentioned earlier, it's not just around having IT skills to manage IT systems. It's more than that now. It's around understanding from a leadership perspective, you know, how do we enable and empower our staff to make the most of a digital culture within the workspace. And I think HR leaders absolutely need to be evolving their skill set to maximize that potential.